Welcome to a space of gratitude, trust, and divine expectation. Today, let's align our hearts with faith and give thanks not only for what we have, but for all the blessings that are on their way. Repeat these affirmations with me and let your soul receive every promise, every breakthrough, and every miracle that is already on its way to you. Thank you, God, for all that's coming. Let's begin. Thank you, God, for all the unseen blessings already on their way to me. I trust in your divine timing, Lord. Thank you, God, for the opportunities I cannot yet see. Thank you, God, for opening doors I didn't know existed. Thank you, God, for the peace that's finding me. Thank you, God, for aligning me with your perfect plan. Thank you, God, for the strength I will soon walk in. Thank you for the healing that's on its way. Thank you, God, for divine connections and kind souls coming into my life. Thank you, God, for protecting me from what was not meant for me. I believe your blessings are chasing me down. Thank you, God, for the miracles forming behind the scenes. Thank you for the abundance flowing into my life. Thank you, God, for preparing my heart for new beginnings. Thank you, God, for the answered prayers, even if I haven't seen them yet. Thank you for turning my waiting into growing. Thank you, God, for dreams that are finally becoming real. Thank you for the guidance I will need for what's next. Thank you for the favor that surrounds me. Thank you for your grace that is never late. Thank you for the joy rising in me. Thank you, God, for making a way out of no way. Thank you for giving me more than I can imagine. Thank you for the wisdom coming to me now. Thank you for the clarity and purpose ahead. Thank you for the love I will receive and give. Thank you for every breakthrough with my name on it. Thank you for peace in my heart and mind. Thank you for divine surprises that will light up my path. Thank you, God, for everything falling into place. I am grateful for all the goodness flowing towards me. Thank you for turning pain into purpose. Thank you for restoring what I thought was lost. Thank you for lifting me higher than before. Thank you, God, for every lesson wrapped in blessings. Thank you, God, for aligning me with your divine purpose. Thank you for bringing beauty from brokenness. Thank you for the elevation that's coming. Thank you for guiding my every step. Thank you, God, for the divine timing of it all. I trust you, God, with all that's coming. Thank you for teaching me patience and faith. Thank you for preparing the way before me. Thank you, God, for giving me the courage to walk forward. Thank you for the unexpected joy ahead. Thank you for every gift wrapped in the unknown. Thank you for clearing what no longer serves me. Thank you, God, for filling my life with light and love. Thank you for making the impossible possible. Thank you, God, for expanding my capacity to receive. Thank you for the victory already written for me. Thank you for working all things together for good. Thank you, God, for filling me with hope. Thank you for preparing me to receive more. Thank you for your divine favor over my life. Thank you for the transformation underway. Thank you for spiritual growth and divine maturity. Thank you, God, for the laughter returning to my soul. Thank you for renewing my spirit daily. Thank you for the blessings I didn't ask for. Thank you for aligning me with the right people. Thank you for trusting me with more. Thank you, God, for the vision you have given me. Thank you for the grace to rise every day. Thank you for doors opening in divine order. Thank you for bringing harmony into my life. Thank you for freedom from fear and doubt. Thank you for holding me in divine love. Thank you for the future that excites my soul. Thank you for divine provision in every area. Thank you, God, for leading me into overflow. Thank you for making space for new beginnings. Thank you for divine peace that surpasses understanding. Thank you for the transformation I cannot yet see. Thank you for filling every void with divine purpose. Thank you, God, for the blessings that will bless others through me. Thank you for victory in advance. Thank you for bringing calm to my spirit. Thank you for teaching me to trust fully. Thank you, God, for turning waiting into worship. Thank you for preparing me for answered prayers. Thank you for joy that finds me in silence. Thank you for grace in the unknown. Thank you for showing me what truly matters. Thank you for peace in every step forward. Thank you for loving me through every season. Thank you for what is aligning for me now. Thank you for the courage to dream again. Thank you, God, for all that's coming because I know it's good.